Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike and I'm back again with a brand new video. Today we are going to talk about these filters right here. Those are the landscape series filters from Freewell and they're really cool because they are actually gradient filters. So as you can see here on the image, they are darker on the top and brighter on the bottom. So if you want to shoot some landscape photography or even videos with your drone, probably you've noticed that you either have to expose for the sky or for the ground, because otherwise one of them will be always blown out and the other one will be properly exposed. But with these filters, I think you will be able to achieve perfect exposure for both and you will have a more balanced, rich image to work with. Of course, some of you guys will be able to achieve this effect with Lightroom and editing in Lightroom, but I personally think it's a great thing to have for those occasions when you just want to put a filter and create a great photo. So I'm not sure how well they work, but I will test them today. Anyway, one thing I want to mention is that, of course, today is Black Friday and DJI is hosting their Black Friday sale currently. It's available worldwide and I will link it below if you want to check it out. They have some great deals. I actually made a whole video about those deals. But if you just want to see those deals, just go to the description, click on the link and see for yourself. Also, a friend of mine reached out to me. This friend is actually called Anil and he made the DroneMate app. I made a video about DroneMate some time ago. I don't know if you have watched it, but this app is basically a great app for giving you the laws and the regulations in different countries for flying a drone. So if you're traveling and you want to quickly see if you are allowed to fly your drone in a certain country, you can use this app to check for yourself. And basically the app is free, but to unlock the full potential of the app, you have to use the paid version. But for Black Friday, we are actually giving away 100 codes for Android users and 100 codes for iOS users. But those codes are only available until tomorrow, so be quick. I will link them in the description. I will link the app as well, so make sure you go and check it out. Now that's out of the way, I think we're ready to pack up everything and get going and test out these filters.
So, I just arrived in the middle of nowhere. But anyway, I think this is a great place to do this experiment because the grass here behind me is very, very bright green and the sky is, yeah, a bit too bright as you can see. So I think it's the perfect place to test those filters out because I would like to expose properly both the sky and the ground. So let's see what we can do. First, I will show you how the photo would look like if we had no filters on the drone, and then I will compare it with the rest of the filters, or at least the ones that are suitable for these conditions. So check this out, those are the three filters that we have. We have ND8GR, so ND8 on the top and just gradient all the way down. ND16-4, so 16 on the top and 4 on the bottom. And ND32-8, so 32 on top and 8 on the bottom. And it's up to you to rotate this wheel here that you have on the filter itself, and you can easily switch where the gradient starts. You can make it from the side, you can make it from the top to bottom or bottom top. It's up to you. But now I think I will use ND16-4 because it's a bit cloudy and I don't think I will have to use the darkest glass. So ND16-4 is now going to the Mavic 2 Pro. So just finished shooting with the filters, and I have to say I like them. They're good, but there's something you need to know, and that is that you need to constantly think about the light, where the light is coming from, and you need to adjust them accordingly. So keep that in mind if you want to use something like this. Personally, I definitely see the effect, and I see how much they can do for you if you use them properly, but I don't think they're for everyone. Of course, if you want to specialize into taking photos with your drone, especially landscape photos, then this might be a great thing for you. I will link them below if you want to check them out, and I want to say thanks to Freewell for sending them to me to check them out myself. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see plenty more drone related videos, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao!